Have you ever wondered what the future of sleep looks like? Well, welcome again to this channel. I am Nickstar DN. Let's pull back the curtains on the dawn of a new era, where innovation meets luxury in the form of the genuine leather tech smart bed. This isn't just a bed, it's a revolution in rest, a personal sanctuary that blends comfort, functionality, and technology to redefine the way we recharge. Picture a haven that cradles you in opulent comfort, while also connecting you to a world of relaxation and convenience. Beyond its plush, genuine leather exterior, this smart bed boasts an array of state-of-the-art features designed to enhance every aspect of your sleep routine. From built-in Bluetooth speakers that fill your room with your favorite soothing sounds, to an integrated massager that melts away the stress of the day, and even USB-C ports for easy device charging, it's all here. Prepare to embark on a journey into the ultimate sleep experience where comfort, functionality, and technology converge. Imagine a bed that not only cradles you in luxurious comfort but also envelops you in a world of connectivity. It's not a dream, but the reality of the genuine leather tech smart bed. This isn't your regular bed, it's a tech-infused haven. And today, we're taking a closer look at its Bluetooth connectivity. Picture this. You've had a long day, and all you want to do is unwind. You sink into the plush leather of your smart bed, and with a mere tap on your smartphone, your favorite soothing melody begins to play. No wires, no fuss, just seamless Bluetooth connectivity. The Bluetooth speakers integrated into the smart bed are designed to elevate your relaxation. They're not just any speakers, they're optimized for clarity, depth, and richness of sound, creating an immersive audio experience right in the comfort of your bed. Whether you're a fan of classical music, jazz, nature sounds, or podcasts, the smart bed's Bluetooth speakers can handle it all. And let's not forget about the morning. Waking up can be a struggle, but the smart bed's Bluetooth connectivity can make it a bit more pleasant. Instead of a jarring alarm, you could wake up to the gentle sounds of a sunrise symphony or your favorite morning radio show. The possibilities are as endless as they are exciting, but it's not all about entertainment. The smart bed's Bluetooth connectivity can also be a tool for wellness. Many of us have trouble sleeping, and studies show that certain sounds can help. From white noise to guided sleep meditations, the smart bed's Bluetooth speakers can play a crucial role in your journey towards better sleep. So, whether you're settling down for the night, waking up in the morning, or simply taking a moment to relax, the genuine leather tech smart bed's Bluetooth connectivity is there to enhance your experience. It's not just about connecting your devices, it's about connecting with your needs, your tastes, and your lifestyle. Create the perfect ambiance for relaxation or meditation with the integrated Bluetooth speakers. With the genuine leather tech smart bed, every night is a symphony of comfort and connectivity. What if your bed could help you say goodbye to tension and stress? This isn't a futuristic dream, but a reality with the genuine leather tech smart bed. This bed isn't just a place for sleep, but a personal wellness retreat, thanks to its integrated massager. Imagine coming home after a long day, your muscles aching, your mind buzzing with the day's events. You sink into your smart bed, and with a touch of a button, you activate the integrated massager. As it hums to life, you feel the tension begin to melt away. The integrated massager is designed with various settings to cater to your specific needs. Whether you've spent the day hunched over your laptop or your muscles are weary from an intense workout, this smart bed has you covered. You can adjust the intensity of the massage, targeting specific muscle groups, or opt for a full-body relaxation session. This isn't just a typical massage you'd get from a basic massager. This is a highly sophisticated system that uses advanced technology to mimic the techniques used by professional masseurs. The kneading, the rolling, the tapping, all designed to penetrate deeply into your muscles, releasing knots and promoting blood flow. This is not just about physical relaxation. As the massager works its magic, you'll notice your mind starting to unwind too. It's a holistic approach to relaxation, one that understands the intricate connection between the mind and body. And the best part? You don't need to schedule an appointment or step out of your comfort zone. It's all there, right in your bedroom, ready to provide you with a therapeutic massage at your convenience. So, whether it's the end of a hectic day or a lazy Sunday morning, you have the power to transform your bed into a personal wellness retreat. A retreat that understands and caters to your relaxation needs, leaving you feeling rejuvenated and ready to tackle whatever comes next. Experience deep relaxation and rejuvenation with the smart bed's integrated massager. Transform your sleep routine into a luxurious, restorative experience with the genuine leather tech smart bed, where every night is an opportunity for ultimate relaxation. Stay connected without ever leaving the comfort of your bed. As we delve deeper into the innovative features of the genuine leather tech smart bed, we discover another gem, the integrated USB-C ports. These aren't just ordinary ports, they're a symbol of convenience, accessibility, and the seamless integration of technology into our lives, even during our most intimate periods of rest. Now let's paint a picture. You're tucked into your comfy bed after a long day, reading your favorite ebook, or maybe you're catching up on the latest episode of your favorite podcast. Suddenly, you notice your device's battery is running low. In the past, this would mean leaving the comfort of your warm bed to charge your device. But with the genuine LeatherTech smart bed, those days are over. Right within arm's reach are your trusty USB-C ports. No need to scramble for a wall outlet or fumble around in the dark. Simply plug your device into the port, and voila! Your device is now charging, and you can continue indulging in your nighttime routine uninterrupted. But it's not just about charging your phone or tablet. The USB-C ports are versatile enough to accommodate a variety of devices. Perhaps you have a smartwatch that monitors your sleep patterns, or a pair of wireless headphones you use for late-night meditations. Whatever your tech needs, the genuine LeatherTech smart bed is ready to support. Moreover, the USB-C ports are discreetly incorporated into the design of the bed. They don't disrupt the sleek, modern aesthetic but rather enhance it, offering a subtle nod to the sophisticated technology that lies within. Effortlessly charge your devices while enjoying your downtime, thanks to the smart bed's convenient USB-C ports. The genuine LeatherTech smart bed truly embodies the future of sleep, a future where luxury, comfort, and technology all coexist harmoniously. So why wait? Embrace the future today. Experience the epitome of luxury and technology with the genuine LeatherTech smart bed. As we stroll down the memory lane of our journey today, let's take a moment to reflect on what makes this smart bed the ultimate sleep solution in the 21st century. We've explored the incredible features of the genuine LeatherTech smart bed, each thoughtfully designed to elevate your sleep experience. With built-in Bluetooth speakers, this bed isn't just a place to sleep, it's an entertainment hub. Whether you're winding down with a soothing podcast or setting the mood with a tranquil soundscape, this smart bed caters to your every need. And let's not forget about the integrated massager, a game-changer in the realm of comfort. After a long day, there's nothing quite as satisfying as a personalized massage to soothe tired muscles and melt away tension, right from the convenience of your own bed. But the innovation doesn't stop there. With integrated USB-C ports, the genuine LeatherTech smart bed ensures you stay connected even during your downtime. Gone are the days of scrambling for a charger in the middle of the night. Now you can effortlessly charge devices while nestled in the luxurious comfort of your bed. But beyond these impressive features, the true beauty of this smart bed lies in its transformative potential. It's not just about a good night's sleep, it's about redefining the way we rest and recharge. This smart bed takes the very essence of sleep and elevates it to a whole new level, merging luxury, comfort, and technology into a seamless experience. So, what does the future of sleep look like? It's an immersive experience that goes beyond the traditional boundaries of a bedroom. It's a sanctuary of relaxation, a hub of connectivity, and a haven of rejuvenation, all rolled into one. It's the genuine LeatherTech smart bed. As we wrap up our journey today, remember, the future of sleep is not a distant dream, but a tangible reality, and it's within your reach. Upgrade your sleep experience today and discover the future of sleep with the genuine LeatherTech smart bed. If you need this bed or other furniture designs, WhatsApp us at +250 788694632 for inquiries. The journey doesn't end here though. We invite you to join us as we continue to explore cutting-edge innovations in home decor and beyond. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our video. Let's unlock the future of sleep together.